Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna about Amla mask for healthy glowing skin. To make this mask, you need amla juice. You can also take fresh amla juice. I am taking 1 tablespoon of amla juice. And few drops of aloe vera gel in it. Mix it well like this and apply it daily on your face. This will help to fade off the blemishes, dark circles and the uneven skin tone. Makes your skin fair and glowing. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update.